my name is Achale and I'm here with my team member
Nkemezao, Abel.
And we are participants of the Nervtek Weekend Steamboat supported by GIZ. Through the program, we have gotten the chance to learn skills on 3D modeling, robotics, web development and drone piloting. So at the end of the program, I and my team member decided to build this system called the gas detecting system. This is a system in which is built to detect gas leakages or smoke and alert everyone around before the incident gets serious. And nowadays in modern homes or restaurants, when people cook, they cook and at the same time watch movies or do something else, which can hence lead to fire accidents because of ignorance, because they'll just, let's say, forget their pots on the fire. And also in production companies where production is left unsupervised, where there might be a fault in the production process which might lead to a fire accident too. So we decided to build this project to solve the problem of these accidents, to reduce the rate of how these accidents occur. And also this project can help to save the cost of refurnituring, replacing or buying what has been destroyed. And it also helps to protect our ecosystem or our atmosphere by minimizing the amount of gases or smoke that moves into the atmosphere. Thank you.